When I was younger, my grandmother told me stories of the old plug boards she operated back in the 50s, which created the complicated entanglement of removable wires for routing various data connections. Today, we've come a long way with Amphenol SV Microwave's VITA 67 RF connectors and cable assemblies. These high-density and high-performance devices feature blind mate and simplified cable routing for reducing mean time to repair and incorporate a unique SV connector retention mechanism for ease of assembly and disassembly. The VITA 67 devices meet or exceed multiple environmental tests and are designed across several series, including SMPM, SMPS, and Nano RF for excellent RF performance. These RF products are ideal for SIGINT, EWR, ground base stations, and communication systems, avionics and radar systems, and are intended for side-by-side implementation with other VITA connector standards.